Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this old VHS effect on CapCut PC. So go to effects and type in old DV, and you're just going to place it into your video like that. You can adjust the filter here, the noise as well, and how sharp you want it to be. I'm just going to do the normal one. Then I'm going to go to the effects section again, and I'm going to type in color glitch as well. If it's there, I think it's under glitch, or if it's not there, I think I'm just going to add in just a glitch effect. Should be here. I don't know why it's not here. Oh, there it is. I'm just going to select it and I'm going to drag it into my video, and I'm just going to adjust the color glitch a little bit, like the strength of it. And the speed as well. I'm just going to put this strength at 0. But that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!